Very good morning to students. We will discuss in today's lecture the next property of beta and gamma function. In last video lecture, we discussed with you on gamma functions properties. All properties of gamma functions are very important for the purpose of university papers. Okay, so today we discussed two important properties of gamma functions. The first property is to prove that integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx equal to under root pi upon 2. This is the very important property for the numerical terms. Now we take I is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square into dx. This is the extra term x square. Therefore, x square is a substitution term. On putting x square is equal to by here the variable x is changed in the form of by variable. Therefore, on differentiation with respect to y, this first 2x and x is dx upon dy. Y is 1. Therefore, dx is equal to dy is this cross multiplication of 2x upon 2x is in denominator term. And all term here, all term is changed in the form of y. Therefore, x is changed in the y format. So, we have x square is equal to y. Therefore, value of x is under root by. This is the value of under root by. Then dx equal to this, and limit is same because of 0 is equal to y equal to 0, and infinity ka square, that means infinity. Okay. Therefore, then by equation 1, and we get integration I equal to 0 to infinity e to the power x square. X square means y, that means minus y, and dx equal to dy upon this. This 1 upon 2 is constant, 0 to infinity to the power minus y, and denominator term under root y, then we change in the form of numerator. Therefore, the power y to the power 1 upon 2 in the negative term minus y upon 2. And we have the gamma function is this. Gamma is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus x to the power n minus 1 into dy. Therefore, this term the change in the form of gamma function. So minus 1 by 2 we write n minus 1 format. N minus 1 format. Therefore, 1 by 2 minus 1 and solve 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We make in the format this. Now 1 by 2, this is the value of e to the power minus y to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 dy. This is the gamma n. So n means 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2, gamma 1 by 2. This is gamma 1 by 2 is under root pi. Gamma 1 by 2 is under root pi. So therefore root pi upon 2, this is the proof term. Now we take a remarks. Suppose this question is minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the limit. But we have proved 0 to infinity. So lower limit is minus infinity. That time minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus x square dx square. We have already discussed some important property of definite integral, which one of them is minus a2 plus a fx into dx equal to 0 to a f of x into dx, where fx is an even function. Even function means fx equal to sin x, fx equal to cos x. So f of minus x is also cos x. Therefore, f of x is cos x, f of minus x is also cos x. Both are equal. Therefore, f of even term. It's called even term. Therefore, this is even term. Therefore, now we change it to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx. Or this is the value of under root pi upon 2. Under root pi upon 2, 2 so 2 cancel. This will be under root pi. This is the remarkable term of the property number 1. Okay. Now we discussed the next property to prove that same, but the change in the power minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus a square x square dx equal to this. First we take I is equal to this. Here this is the even function. This is the even function. Therefore we write I is equal to 2 0 to infinity equal to this. Now substitution term is this. We see in the first property. Therefore substitution term a square x square is equal to y. Now we take 2a square x dx upon dy. This dx equal to dy cross multiplication upon this, and now all term of x format to change in the y format. Therefore x is replaced by under root y upon a. A से cancel तो a बचेगा. This 2a under root y. Now we substitute this value in equation 1 and limit do not change. Here I is equal to 2 0 to infinity e to the power minus y dy upon 2a under root y. Now 2a is constant term. Now out of the integral, this 2 upon 2a 0 to this and under root y in denominator format. Now we change in numerator. Therefore y to the power 1 by 2. This minus 1 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel. 1 upon a 0 to infinity e to the power minus y, and this term changed in n minus 1 format as per gamma function. This will be 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 upon a gamma 1 by 2, and gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. We have also proved in last video lectures. Therefore, under root pi upon a. This is the important property of gamma function. Now we discussed the numerical term of gamma and beta function both in next video lecture. Thank you.